Hello class, today we will study the first letter of the Arabic alphabet. Its vertical line called...
Boring! Stop! Stop! Tell them the secret! Tell them about me!
Oh, what's happened? Who are you?
I am the star, the voice, the sound. But wait, where is the tall guy?
Okay, calm down little guy. Let me just draw the line first.
Greetings, teacher. Thank you for drawing me. I am Alif.
Well, it seems our lesson come to life. Guys, meet Alif, the first letter, tall, strong, and silent.
Correct. I am the beginning of everything.
Okay, Alif, welcome to the show. But aren't you forgetting a little friend?
Friend?
Me! Don't forget me. I'm the important one.
There is the noisy one. Everyone meet Hamza.
Yep, he is tall and silent. But I am the boss of the sound. Listen.
He is right. In the Arabic, whenever you hear sharp stop in your throat, that's little guy Hamza.
Exactly! No Hamza, no sound.
Okay, but Hamza, you are very small. You can't always float around like that. You need support.
I know. I get tired floating. Alif, be my chair.
Don't worry, little one. I am strong. I will be your chair.
Now, Hamza, about the Alif with Fatha.
Woohoo! Up here with my hat, I say ah, like an apple.
Yes, Hamza. Alif Hamza Fatha equal a sound in English. The second sound, Hamza under the Alif with Kasra.
Down here, it's cozy. I say E.
Yes, Hamza. Alif Hamza Kasra equal E letter in English. Now the third sound, Alif Hamza upper the Alif with Damma sign.
And with this loop, I say oo.
Yes, Hamza. Alif Hamza Damma equal all sound in English. See, the Alif is a supportive friend, holding the sound for us. Alright guys, let's see you in action, in real words. Let's read together.
Look, it's a lion. That's me right at the start. Asad.
Yes, Hamza. An example for Alif Hamza Fatha, Asad. Asad means lion. So, repeat with me and with Hamza. Asad, Asad.
And look at the next one. You are hiding under me.
Yep, I am underneath. E, Islam.
An example for Alif Hamza Kasra, Islam. Islam means Islam, our religion. Yes. So, E, Islam. Repeat with me. E, Islam.
What about this one? That's a funny loop on my head. Looks like O.
Yes, Alif. Yes, Hamza. Alif Hamza Damma. An example for it, Ummah. Ummah. Repeat with each other. Ummah. Ummah means nation. Our nation, Muslim nation. Fantastic. You just met Alif and Hamza. Give them like if you enjoyed meeting them.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye. See you next time.